Hello and welcome to another Keysmash Studios video. Today we're going to be going over how to set up a port on your computer in your own computer's firewall so an application can go through and connect. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Keysmash Studios and we'll hop right into this. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come down here to this bottom bit and you're going to type in firewall and it's going to pop up Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. If you open that, you're going to see inbound, outbound rules. We're primarily concerned with inbound rules. Generally, programs will make these on their own, but on occasion you'll need to set up one for yourself. So if you fall into the category of needing to set up one for yourself, all you do is you come over here, select inbound rules, hit new rule, and then you're going to create a port. After you hit next, you're going to specify the ports and whether it's TCP or UDP. So for example, if you are setting up a Minecraft port here, you would say 25565 is the default port for Minecraft, and set that up as a TCP. You would then hit next. You would allow the connection from those who are connected, and you would set it up so that your computer has that port open when you're on a private domain. This is one of the reasons that Windows does that, is this network, home, private, work, whatever. And then you just create a name for it, so Minecraft port, and that's it. It's pretty simple. This is your own rule that you've created. It appears just like any other port that's created in a computer. Usually they're created for themselves, but if they are not, you can go in and create them yourself. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments below. Check the link in the description for our Discord. You can join that and ask us in our questions and support page if you have any questions as well. As always, I hope this has been helpful. Please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, all that jazz. It really does help. And hopefully we'll see you next week.